Westermans here with a Gullco Moggy, which doesn't require any track. It's also a magnet, so we'll actually stick onto a beam, working in both horizontal and vertical positions. This one's actually fitted with an oscillating head, which is a GK-194-O-330. The tractor is variable speed. And the oscillating head itself again straightforward, simple oscillating head fitted to a Gullco Moggy. Single torch post, like I say, no track required. More details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.